Wow! Way! Yes guys, it's that time of the year again where we get snow or frost build up on your pond. Stick with me now and I'm going to show you a few useful tips on how I prevent my pond from freezing over just like this beautiful lake. Check it out. Is that a stunning lake or not? Comment below. So first and foremost, let's take a look at my pond at home. So if you've seen previous videos of my pond before, you'll probably know by now that I don't use any source of heating equipment at all. So as you probably know from previous videos, I've currently got salt in my pond because I'm treating currently a sick fish with a bacterial infection. As you can see there, it is making some improvements and I'm quite impressed with the results so far. However, not everybody uses salt or likes the idea of putting salt in the pond over the winter period. So there are alternatives to putting salt in the pond over the winter, one way in which is an aerator. Now my aerator was bought off Amazon for only 50 quid. And there you can see a great formation on the top of the pond, giving enough movement to prevent the water from freezing over, also preventing any ice from forming on top. So not everybody might agree with this, but those usually have a pond that looks like this. Yes, you've got it, good old crispy fish fingers from Bird's Eye. Yes, you can pee on your windscreen on your car to remove the ice. No, you can't pee in your pond. Now, if you have got the extra buck in your pocket, you could go out and buy one of these. A very popular item in this trade, the Pond De-Icer. Now, although there are a few different types of Pond De-Icers, depending on your budget. However, for the sake of only 1, 2, 3 or even 4 times a year, if your budget isn't big, then you might just want to take a look at this. Mr. Happy Feet. And just in case he's not available to take your order by stamping his feet on the ice away, you can use saucepans or, yes you guessed it, hot water bottles. One thing you should never use is pure hot water directly on the ice. The most important thing to know is if you have got a pond and it is prone to ice over, you do need to put a hole in the top to relieve the gases from underneath the ice, only if you're keeping fish. This doesn't have to be a big hole, just about the size of a plate. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and whilst you're there, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, I'm going to get back to my personal life and hopefully have a bit more fun with the kids. And if you're still here watching, then I hope you have a good laugh too. Uh-oh.
No, let the kids do.
Remember to keep them nitrates low, and until next time, happy koi!